Hello students, today we will start with our next sum, that is sum number 11. From the following information of Sobi Club, prepare a receipt and payment and income and expenditure account. So in this sum we need to prepare both the things, that is receipt and payment and income and expenditure. Okay, so for solving the sum, let us prepare first accounts of both this income and expenditure and receipt and payment. So let's start. So here I have prepared the receipt and payment for sum number 11. Let us give the heading for the same. Receipt and payment account of Surbi Club. Okay, and now income expenditure. So here income and expenditure account of Surbi Club. So let us start with our sum. First, receipt side to balance brought down 60,000. Then after, subscription is given to us 3 lakh rupees. So subscription will cover over here. To subscription account amount is 3 lakh rupees. Then after, outstanding at the end of year 30,000. So subscription outstanding at the end of the year is 30,000. So on the income side, let us make the format of subscription. So here income side, subscription current year 3 lakh, subscription at the end of the year is 20,000. So outstanding of current year will be added. Clear? Then next is given donation, but in the bracket it is written revenue. So revenue donation will record in the receipt side to donation account. Amount for the same is 30,000. Then it is given purchase of furniture. So purchase of furniture is our capital. Purchase of furniture will be added in furniture itself in the balance sheet. Now in this sum, as such we are not preparing balance sheet, so that will not be recorded. Then after, next is purchase of sports equipment, again in the balance sheet. Next is subscription of the newspaper. So subscription of newspaper is our capital expenditure, so that we will write in expense. Subscription of newspaper, amount for the same is 15,000. Then sale of old furniture, book value was of 5,000. So we have sold it on loss. So loss on sale of furniture is 3,000. So that will be recorded here. Loss on sale of furniture 3,000. Then it is given opening cash and bank balance, that already we have recorded. Then rent paid. So rent paid, again we'll record it over here. Rent paid, amount of the rent paid is 28,000. Then bank expense, same over here. Bank expense, amount for the same is 1,000. Then stationery and printing, inclusive of a bill of 5,000 of the previous year. So same over here, adjustment is there. Stationery and printing, it was of 20,000, but in it is written that 5,000 is for the previous year, so that we will deduct it. 5,000, outer column comes to 5,000 previous year. Then next, entrance fees 50% is capitalized. So entrance fees over here, amount for the entrance fees is 20,000, and from that 50% is capitalized. That means 10,000 is capitalized, and outer column remains over here is 10,000. Now this 10% which is capitalized, that will be recorded in receipt and payment. So let us write over here receipt and payment. Amount for the entrance fees is entrance fees. In receipt and payment we write full amount, that is of 20,000. And in income expenditure, we write only capitalized entrance fee, that is 50%, that costs 10,000. Clear? Now next is legacy. So two legacy, amount for the same is 50,000. Then next, honorarium to secretary, inclusive of 4,000 of previous year. Clear? So honorarium to secretary is given to us 48,000. So that will record over here on the payment side by honorarium to security, that is 48,000. Then after it is given postage and telephone. So postage and telephone again over here by postage and telephone, amount of the same is 10,000. Then it is given sundry expense. So over here by sundry expense, amount for the same is 10,000. Then it is given to us income of cultural program. So income of cultural program to income of cultural program, amount for the same is 80,000. Then expense of cultural program. So here by expense of cultural program, amount for the same is 60,000. Then depreciation write-off on furniture. So depreciation in expenditure over here, depreciation on furniture amount is 5,000. Then purchase of investment again in the balance sheet, interest on investment. So over here interest on investment amount is 7,000. Clear? So with this we have completed our sum. Now let us see some hidden adjustments if they are there. So for the subscription it is there 30,000 of the next year, so that will be deducted. Then donation is given to us, that is 30,000. Then capitalized entrance fees that we have done. Then income of cultural program, that is 80,000. Okay. So here we have completed our sum. Let us do the total. 2,90,000 over here, 10,000, then over here 15,000. Outer column we got. Okay. So now let us find the difference. So see, the total of credit side is more, that is 417,000. Same over here, 417,000, and the difference comes on the debit side, that is 222,000. This is our excess of income over expense. Clear? So now let us close our receipt and payment. Now receipt and payment, when you will do the total of both the side will come same, that is 549,000, 549,000. Clear? So with this we have completed our sum number 11. Now let us start with our sum number 12. So here is our sum number 12. From the following information of Sanket Sports Club for the year ending on 21st 2015, prepare an income expenditure account for the year ending of that date. So here receipt and payment is given to us. From this we have to prepare income and expenditure account. Okay. So let's start. So first in the expenditure we get general expense 6,000. Adjustment is there, so leave the line for the same. Then salary 24,000. Adjustment, leave the line for the same. Subscription 50,000. Then we have adjustments, so leave the space. Then entrance fees capitalized, so leave the adjustment. Then we have annual function income, amount is 10,000. Then after we have on the debit side depreciation on sports equipments 3000. Then 2 stationery, amount is 4000. Adjustment, so leave the space for the same. Then drama expense, amount is 10,000. Then sale of scrap, 2000. Then sale of ticket of drama, amount is 20,000. Then audit fees, amount is 2000. Then honorarium to secretary, amount is 5000. Then next is annual function expense, amount is 8000. Then bank expense, amount is 1000. Tournament expense, amount is 5000. Then ground maintenance expense, amount is 6000. Then repairing expense, amount is 3000. Clear? So with this we have completed our receipt and payment. Now let us see the adjustments for the same. So general expense prepaid is 500. So prepaid for the next year will be minus prepaid 500. So amount is 5500, outer column. Then salary is outstanding. So outstanding salary is 2000. So outer column will be 26,000. Then stationery includes the stationery stock of rupees 200. So outer column 3800. Here we will write stationery stock. Then entrance fee capitalized is 2000, means 50%. So outer column remains 2000. Then subscription pre-received is 2000 and outstanding is 3000. So outer column comes to 51,000. This is pre-received. Clear? So with this we have completed our adjustments also for the same. Now what we have to do is we have to do the total for the same, and whichever total is greater, that we will write in the total, and whichever side is less, that total we will write on that side. So total of credit side is more, that is 85,000. So the difference comes on the debit side, that is 6,700. This is excess of income over expense. Clear? So with this we complete our sum number 12, and we have completed our chapter also with it.